We got a bunch of snow. And the old 1953 case VAC tractor with the grater blade. Let's see if we can't fire that up. Just for the heck of it. I'll have to go get gas for it and all. Just got to put another chain, put that chain back on the back tire. Came off. Hydraulics got to warm up. Yeah, we really got dumped on here. Ponds are frozen. See if we can't fire this up. This diesel probably won't even. This is a Polaris diesel. Let's see, I can't find it. Where's the key at? Oh my gosh. Up. Blowing smoke. Got the equipment going.